Thank you for providing all the information about electronic anodic oxidation, EAO, and its applications. Electronic corrosion protection through anodic oxidation is indeed an effective method to prevent rust, corrosion, and demoisturize the air. The concept of using electronic systems to induce anodic polarization and form protective oxide layers is innovative. The benefits of EAO, such as mold prevention, allergy and asthma relief, odor reduction, and preservation of building materials, make it a valuable solution for residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The coverage area and placement of EAO modules should be considered based on the specific requirements. In terms of installation, it is suggested to fix the module at suitable places and connect the power source, whether it's a battery, solar panel, or AC adapter. Regular maintenance is crucial to ensure the proper functioning of EAO systems. Furthermore, the integration of EAO into building automation systems allows for centralized control and monitoring, providing efficient energy consumption. The inclusion of LED indicators for power and working status is also a helpful feature. Overall, EAO offers an advanced and effective approach to corrosion protection, demoisturization, and air quality.